sa inyo sa pupapasok na sila.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, dyan na lang yung focus.
Good afternoon, sir. May I have your name and your number, please?
It's Mr. D from Room 143.
Oh, yes, Mr. D. How's your stay here?
Yeah, it's really great.
We're glad to have a nice feedback to a popular person like Mr. D.
Thank you.
Your departure date is today at 12 noon.
Alright. Yes, but we are leaving later.
Will you please hurry up because we're gonna have an appointment, you know.
Okay,
Please.
sir. It's on process now.
Mr. D, you will be having an additional charge for late checkout. It will be added to your account.
Alright.
And there will be a late charge in your vehicle system.
Okay.
Mr. D, I will give you master and guest folios if you want to check your expenses.
Alright. You're cute, maganda. You're cute.
Thank you, Mr. D.
I like you.
We will settle now all your accounts.
Okay.
If there will be any problem, Mr. D, just inform us, okay?
Alright.
We will just check if there's any problem.
Alright.
Thank you. Bye.
Everything's fine.
Alright, yeah.
Please let us help you to carry your luggage to by our bell service. Excuse me, please help them to carry their luggage.
That would be a great idea.
Would you like to have a future reservation, Mr. D?